Hello students, my name is Gopal Charan Sau, your maths teacher from St. Teresa School. Today I am going to teach integration. See the integrals of the form integration sine to the power m x into cos to the power n x dx. Here power is m and n. Sine power is m and cos power is n, where m and n belongs to natural number. Suppose one question you take sine cube x into cos to the power x dx. Here m is 3 and n is 4. Whenever m is an odd number, means exponent of sin x is an odd number. In that case, you have to take cos x as u by substitution method. If reverse one, suppose the exponent of cos x means n is odd number, means positive odd number. In that case, you have to take sin x as u. Let us solve one sum. After the next one solve, I am taking number 1 integration sin cube x into cos to the power 4x dx. Here m is odd number. Here m is odd number. So how to solve? If m is odd number, means here m is equal to odd number. In that case, you have to take odd. M means what? The exponent of sin x is odd number. Then you have to take cos x as u. So what is the derivative of this? This is minus sin x dx equal to du. Okay. After that, dx equal to how much? Dx equal to minus du by sin x. Okay. Now you have to substitute here. Therefore, integration sin cube x into cos to the power. Cos means what? U to the power 4x, 4 u to the power 4, and dx means minus du by sin x. Okay. One sin will be cancelled here. It will be left sin square. Sin square means what? 1 minus cos square. Cos square means what? U square. 1 minus u square whole to the power u to the power 4 into minus du. Just you multiply minus, you keep it inside, then it will be reversed. Then this will be u to the power 6 du minus integration u to the power 4 du. Okay. So what is the integration u to the 6? That will be u to the power 7 by 7 minus u to the power 5 by 5 plus 6. Final answer will be 1 by 7. What is u? That is cos x. Means cos to the power 7x minus 1 by 5 cos to the power 5 cos to 5x plus c integration constant, and this is the answer of number 1. Okay, let me explain again. Integrals of the form integration sin to the power nx into cos to the power nx dx. Here power is means exponent is m and n, where m and n belong to natural number. Natural means positive integer. Okay, positive integer starting from 1, not 0. Natural number. See, here I have taken power, the power of sin x is odd number. If m is odd, in that case you have to take cos x as u. Substitution method. By substituting cos x as u, you have to proceed, you have to solve. The final answer you get in this one. Okay. Here the power of sin x is an odd number, positive odd number. Okay. Let us go to next number 2. Hello students, I am taking number 2 question as integration sin square x into cos to the power x dx. Here, see the format. Here m is even positive number and the power of cos x, that is n. This is odd number. In this case, whenever the power of cos x means n is odd number, in that case you have to take sin x as u. This is the concept. Sin x as u. Substituting sin x equal to u. What is the derivative? Cos x dx equal to u. Okay. Now put here sin x as u means this will be u square. Now this is cos to the power 5 x dx will be how much? Dx will be du by cos x. Okay. See here, what is the value of dx? That is du by cos x. After that, you are getting what? This is u square. 1 cos x will be cancelled. This will be cos to the power 4. Means 1 minus sin square whole square. 1 minus sin square means 1 minus u square. 1 minus sin square equal to how much? Cos square whole square. That will be cos to the power 4 whole square and du. Okay. Now this will be how much? Integration, just whole square you break. 1 minus 2 u square plus u to the power 4 du. Just open the bracket. This will be how much? U to the power 2 du minus 2 outside u to the power 4 du plus u to the power 6 du. So what is the answer here? 1 by 3 u square minus 2 into u to the power 5 by 5 plus 1 by 7 u to the power 7 plus 6. Now put the value of u. What is u? That is sin x. That means 1 by 3 sin square x minus 2 by 5. That will be sin to the power 5 x plus 1 by 7 sin to the power 7 x plus 3. And this is the answer of number 2. Question giving sin square x into cos to the power 5 x dx. Here, comparing the integrals of the form sin to the power mx into cos to the power nx. Here, n means the power of cos x, that is odd number. Whenever it is odd number, you have to take sin x as u. Okay. After that, you have to proceed as normal simulation. Just so you have to memorize. When the power of cos x, the power of cos x means exponent is odd number, you have to take let sin x equal to u. Okay. And if sin x power will be odd number, in that case take cos x as u. This is the two format you have to memorize. I think you are able to catch the number 1 and 2. Let us go to number 3 question. See, I am taking number 3 question. Sin qx into cos to the power 5x dx. Here, both the power of sin x and cos x is odd number. Means here m is 3, n is 5. Both are odd number. Whenever the power of sin x and cos x both are odd number, in that case, you can take any one as substitution. Okay. Either you can take sin x equal to u, or either you can take cos x as u. Let us see. I am taking cos x as u. I am taking let cos x as u. Any one you can take, no doubt. What is the derivative of cos x? That is minus sin x dx equal to du. Therefore, dx will be how much? Minus du by sin x. Now substitute here. If I substitute the value of cos x as u, this will be how much? Sin qx dx. Now this will be how much? U to the power 5. What is the value of dx? See, minus du by sin x. Now one sin will be cancelled. Sin square means what? 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square means what? 1 minus u square. Sin square left because one sin cancel here, and here u to the power 5 du minus du. Now this minus will multiply inside, then this will be u to the power 7 du. Then this will be minus u to the power 5 du. Okay. U to the 7 means what? Means 1 by 8 u to the power 8 minus 1 by 6 u to the power 6 plus 6. The final answer will be 1 by 8. What is the value of u? That is cos x. Means cos to the power 8 x minus 1 by 6 cos to the power 6 plus 6. See the question number 3. Again I am repeating. This is sin qx. See, just to see the process of solving. Okay. I am repeating the here. Here sin qx into cos to the power 5x dx. I am taking cos x as u. Okay. I am taking cos x as u. So what is the derivative of cos x? That is minus sin x dx equal to du. The dx value will be minus du by sin x. Now put the value of dx here just to see. If I put the value of dx here, then this will be how much? Sin qx into u to the power 5 in minus du by sin x. After simplification, just to see what is the result you are getting. 1 by 8 cos to the power 8x minus 1 by 6 cos to the power 6x plus e. What is 6? Is the integration constant. And this is the final answer of the question number 3. Let us go next number. See, I am taking question number 3 like this. Integration cos qx into e to the power log sin x dx. As you know, this is cos qx given e to the power log sin x. Okay, e to the power log sin x is only sin x and dx, sin x and dx. Since I am writing here e to the power log x is equal to x. This is the formula of exponential and logarithmic function. Okay. Now, which one I will take as substitute? Let cos x is equal to u. Okay. So what is the derivative of cos x? That is minus sin x dx is equal to du. Now tell me, sin x dx will be how much? Minus du. Just put the value of sin x dx here and value of cos. Cos x is what? I am taking as u. This will be u cube and this will be minus du. Now finally it will be minus outside. U to the power 3 means u to the power 4 by 4 plus c. Integration constant. Finally you are getting minus 1 by 4. What is u? That is cos x. Means this will be cos to the power 4x plus c. So what is the answer of this question? Question given like this: cos qx into e to the power log sin x dx. Then e to the power log sin x is equal to sin x. Using the formula this one. And substitute the value of cos x as u. The derivative of cos x minus sin x dx, then sin x dx equal to minus du. Putting the value of cos x as u and sin x cos dx equal to minus du, you are getting u to the power 4 by 4 plus c. C is the integration constant. After the final answer is minus 1 by 4 cos to the power 4x dx cos to the power 4x plus c. C is the integration constant answer. This is the answer of number 4. I think you are able to catch the process of solving the integration of the form. Integral form I have written here. This is the formula. Okay. Using this form I have done 4 sum today. Let us continue the class from tomorrow. Thank you for very much.